And it's time for the G2F quiz. So take out a piece of paper and a pencil in number 1 through 11. When you're done with the quiz, you can find the answers at hamwhisperer.com under the exam answers page under the G2F section of questions. So with that said, get ready and let's start. Question 1. Which of the following describes full break-in telegraphy, or QSK? A. Breaking stations send the Morse code prosign BK. B. Automatic keyers are used to send Morse code instead of hand keys. C. An operator must activate a manual send-receive switch before and after every transmission. Or D. Incoming signals are received between transmitted code character elements. Question 2. What should you do if a CW station sends QRS when using Morse code? A. Send slower. B. Change frequency. C. Increase your power. Or D. Repeat everything twice. Question 3. What does it mean when a CW operator sends KN at the end of a transmission? A. Listen for novice stations. B. Operating full break-in. C. Listening for only a specific station or stations. Or D. Closing station now. Question 4. What does it mean when a CW operator sends CL at the end of a transmission? A. Keep frequency clear. B. Operating full break-in. C. Listening only for a specific station or stations. Or D. Closing station. Question 5. What is the best speed to use answering a CQ in Morse code? A. The speed at which you are most comfortable copying. B. The speed at which the CQ is sent. C. A slow speed until contact is established. Or D. 5 words per minute, as all operators licensed to operate CW can copy this speed. Question 6. What does the term zero beat mean in CW operation? A. Matching the speed of the transmitting station. B. Operating split to avoid interference on frequency. C. Sending without error. Or D. Matching the frequency of the transmitting station. Question 7. When sending CW, what does a C mean when added to the RST report? A. Chirpy or unstable signal. B. Report was read from S-meter reading rather than estimated. C. 100% copy. Or D. Key clicks. Question 8. What prosign is sent using CW to indicate the end of a formal message? A. SK. B. BK. C. AR. Or D. KN. What does a Q signal QSL mean when operating CW? A. Send slower. B. We have already confirmed by card. C. I acknowledge receipt. Or D. We have worked before. Question 10. What does the Q signal QRQ mean when operating CW? A. Slow down. B. Send faster. C. Zero beat my signal. Or D. Quitting operation. And question 11. What does the Q signal QRV mean when operating CW? A. You are sending too fast. B. There is interference on the frequency. C. I am quitting for the day. Or D. I am ready to receive messages. And that's it for the quiz in Lesson 11. For the answer to the quiz, go to hamwhisperer.com, look under the exam answers page, and find the G2F questions. And I'll also have on the website all the Q signals and prosigns laid out so you don't have to go through the course a whole bunch of times trying to write them down. So check that out, and until next time in Lesson 12, this is Andy, KE4GKP, saying 73, and I hope to hear you on the air soon.